Look how pathetic. Look how pathetic this is. Look at this. This is acceptable? Yeah, there you are. It's not even his fault. So, the central air conditioner needs filters. It's supposed to need filters, and you could change your filter as much as you want. So I had the air conditioner installed, I think, in 2015. They gave me a box of filters. It's up in the attic. I forgot, 12, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 8, so 10, because I have one left. And I think I probably doubled 1 year, maybe. I don't know. So I didn't go up in the attic, and I didn't realize I have one left. So I went onto Amazon. I typed in this obnoxious friggin' thing right here. This is what the side of the hallway one says. And it comes in a box, in a bag. And it's from this company, but through Amazon. And this is the way it comes. I'm not returning anything anymore. I'm sick and tired of returning anything. It's a filter, and it's going to do its job. And it's going to just mold itself into the housing up there anyway. But this, you know why? Because the box is the same size as the filters, and it gets thrown away. It doesn't matter what company. Look, it gets thrown. This is this side. That's ridiculous. Look. So now I got to go up in the attic real quick. I'm going to put this, one of the nice ones on top of the one I have. I'm going to double check it fits. And then this is this season. So 2024, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Unless something goes wrong, I do one a year. So that's 6 plus the one in the attic is 7 years. And in 7 years, God only knows, this was like $80. This was the cheapest deal. It was. Why are these things so flippin' expensive? Why? It's paper. This is the company. Oh, Merv 11. I guess it's better than 8. Who cares? You can't call the company. And then when you say Amazon 8 and 13, I got 11. Who cares? I just got the cheapest one. When you call Amazon and you're like, oh, this is broken, they want you to ship it back. No, I want a whole nother 8. And I want brand new ones on top of keeping these.